Where are you from? I'm gonna literally translate it to where do you come from? D'où venez-vous? Where is où? Venez is come, vous is you, and there is d apostrophe, which is from. So we saw de, sometimes it's d apostrophe when it's followed by a vowel. D'où venez-vous? D'où venez-vous? Very proper. D'où viens-tu? D'où viens-tu? In the tu form. French people don't like respecting the proper rule of putting the pronoun at the end of the question where it's supposed to be. So a more natural way to say it would be vous venez d'où? Vous venez d'où? Vous venez d'où? So here also, if you want to sound more natural, you can devocalize the first e, vous venez, instead of vous venez. Vous venez d'où? Vous venez d'où? Very natural. Or more proper, vous venez d'où? Vous venez d'où? Or in the tu form, tu viens d'où? Tu viens d'où? Now, if you want to say where are you from? Where are you from? You can absolutely say vous êtes d'où? Vous êtes, you are, from where? Vous êtes d'où? T'es d'où? Vous êtes d'où? T'es d'où? Now, the funny thing is that t'es d'où, there is a homonym. It becomes are you soft? Are you soft? Vous êtes d'où? So we saw I am originally from a place. So you could definitely ask the question, where are you originally from? Vous êtes originaire d'où? Vous êtes, you are, originaire de, you're originally from, où, where, from where. Or t'es originaire d'où? I wouldn't personally recommend it because it could be seen as racist, even if it wasn't your intention. And I'm telling you from experience because some might say that I don't particularly look like a French person, but I come from a long line of Frenchmen. And I feel like the real question is, what exotic country are you from? It's okay, I don't see the bad intention and I would answer, but just to be careful, some people might take it the wrong way. The only context in which you could actually use it, someone told you, I'm from that country, and you know more specifically about the country. So you would say, oh, where are you from? Exactly, right? So, vous êtes originaire d'où exactement? Vous êtes originaire d'où exactement? If you just want to ask where you're from, I wouldn't recommend asking where you're from originally because you know what I mean. So, formally, d'où venez-vous? Or more naturally, vous venez d'où? Informally, tu viens d'où? If you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments, and don't forget to share and subscribe to support this channel. Merci et à bientôt. Thank you and see you soon.